Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Now, my people, I got some information here to tell you. And on a real, me not sure how accurate these information are. I'm not sure how true they are, but I'll give you the information them according to how me get them viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah, and these information make me Dancehall skilla reach to the conclusion that Jamaica border control might be weak, or Jamaica border control is weak. I mean, no disrespect. I'm just concerned. You see it? And you can't tell me if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Because I got information that a former Haitian senator who goes by the name of John Joel Joseph, who is said to be a suspect in the assassination of former Haitian president who goes by the name of Jovenel Moïse, had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, I got information that he had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica before dawn on Saturday, the 15th of January, the year 2022. In more than one news article, it is said that he had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica on Friday, the 14th of January, the year 2022. So I'm not sure how accurate those information are. So may I say, my people, and according to a news article, allegedly he got here by boat and allegedly he paid a hefty fine. According to another news article, it is said that it was not him alone who came here. It is said that members of his family was also with him when he got here. If these information are accurate, in my point of view, Jamaica border control weak, my people. Embrace yourself because there are more information about the whole situation, you know. See? So listen. Now, to make sure that me don't make no mistake in viewers and subscribers, I am going to read from a news article right here. Yes, may I say? Yeah, I'm going to read from a news article right here, viewers and subscribers, because this is something we don't want to make no mistake pan. You see me? Now listen to this now. See? It is said that Joseph was said by investigators to have paid 12,000 US dollars to get to Jamaica by boat last December. And I miss saying that the news article says saying of viewers and subscribers. See? It is said that he was accompanied by his wife and their 2 children, and regularly paid community folk in Warminster village near Almina Partners in the constituency of St. Elizabeth Southeast to keep his identity away from the radar of snoopers. So the understanding that me got from that part of the news article is that him pay people within the constituency of Southeast St. Elizabeth in the country of Jamaica to keep his identity under the hush-hush, or to keep him off of the radar so that's nobody no find him. That's the understanding when we get from that part of the news article, you know. See? Now, in my words, according to some more things that I read in that same news article, I got the understanding that when he had been located and held by the police within the country of Jamaica, he offered them a bribe, right? According to the news article, allegedly it is said to be about $2 million. I'm not sure whether if it is Jamaican money or US money, but the news article said $2 million. I got information that he said that he begged not to be deported, meaning that he no want to go back to Haiti, viewers and subscribers. But at the same time, he's wanted by the authorities within the country that is known as Haiti. So how that I go work out for him, viewers and subscribers? Eh? Because the law is the law, no viewers and subscribers. The law is the law. See? So me I wonder if I run from the law within this country or the people them in country. Because politics in Haiti no easy, no. Yeah, in my point of view, politics in Haiti no easy, but I'm not even going to get into that, viewers and subscribers, you see? Yeah. Now the reason why I think that this whole situation don't really look good upon the authorities within the country of Jamaica or Jamaica border controls whatever they call it, you see me, is that sometime within the year 2021, a man who goes by the first name of Mario, who is said to be a Colombian national, or a Colombian as well, some persons might say, yeah, that person had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica after that person illegally entered the island of Jamaica. And that person is said to be a suspect in the assassination of former Haitian President Jovenel Moïse. Yeah, that person who goes by the first name of Mario has a last name that I do not want to pronounce it wrong. You see me? In one news article, the last name spelled Palacios. You understand? Yeah, Mario Antonio Palacios. That's my pronunciation of his last name. However, you know, that person end up in Jamaica illegally, said to be wanted for the assassination of former Haitian President Jovenel Moïse, and then the person was supposed to be deported, and then something else happened. I don't really want to get into certain details about that person. You understand? Yeah, but you know, with what happened when it comes down to that person enter Jamaica, and then now with this information may I get, yeah, me I say, Jano, he look away. He look away, my people. Anyways, according to the same news article, it is said that Joseph's identity was confirmed by Haitian officials. See? And it is said that the police are following other lines of inquiries, as it is believed that Joseph, who has collected large sums of cash since he has been here on the island, that's the country of Jamaica, is being supported by well-connected individuals who bankrolled the former Haitian president who goes by the name of Jovenel Moïse assassination. What a plot keep getting thicker and thicker. Again, you know, my people, me only give you the information them according to I got them, you know. And me, I say these things, you know, my people. Anyways, for those who don't know or don't remember, Jovenel Moïse was assassinated sometime within the month of July, within the year 2021, within the country that is known as Haiti. You know, viewers and subscribers, me just bring you these information because I think these information sound really important as a Jamaican. And you can tell me what you think as well. In my point of view, this make it seem as if Jamaica border control weak. But you can tell me what you think, my people. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall, skilla. Big up on yourself, you see it?